dapat nating siguraduhin na magkakaroon ng hustisya hindi lamang sa Ampatuan Massacre kundi sa iba pang mga biktima ng pamamaslang. Mahigit 170 journalists yung pinatay at the sheer number alone should be an indication that the government should muster enough political will to ensure that justice will finally be served.
How do you think this crime or this act impacted the press in the Philippines?
Right now, wala na pa namang periodistang pinapatay, pero yung culture of impunity is still very much evident with the extrajudicial killings that are happening in relation to the campaign to end the drug trade, the illegal drug trade in the country. Kasi totoo naman, dapat naman talagang resolbahin yung issue sa droga, pero kapag may chilling effect yan sa mga mamamayan, parang we don't want to operate in a climate of fear. And we don't want journalists to just simply, sit idly by and be complacent as people within our ranks would get killed or harassed and intimidated.